Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Snapchat and picking the first lens you want. This sets your base look. Make sure lighting and framing are how you want them, because the first filter imprints those settings. Once you've positioned the camera, press and hold to record video or tap for a photo. Don't release yet if recording. This step locks the primary effect in place. It's crucial because the second filter will be layered on top of that captured state, so get it right now. Once done with the base capture, swipe right to reveal Snapchat's additional filters and overlays. This is where you add the second effect. You can select another lens, a color filter, or a sticker-based effect. Choose one that complements the first. Make sure to tap and drag to position it and pinch to scale. These adjustments control how the two filters visually merge. If it's a video, scrub the timeline to confirm the overlay tracks properly. If it's a photo, check edges and opacity. Finalize by blending the two filters so they read as one cohesive effect. Use opacity, blur, or the crop tool to smooth transitions. After you're satisfied, preview playback for a video or inspect the still frame, then tap Save to Memories or export to your camera roll. If things go wrong, misalignment, jitter, or one filter dominating, undo the overlay, reapply it, or re-record the base capture and switch the lens order. This fixes most layering problems without starting from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.